Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prioritizing safety. Do not rush into installing third-party tweaks that violate Roblox or Apple rules. Once done, back up your iPhone to iCloud or a computer so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Make sure your iOS version and free storage are adequate, because compatibility issues are the most common cause of failures. This prevents data loss and keeps your account secure while you consider alternatives to third-party mods. You should focus on legitimate ways to achieve the effects you want rather than risky installs. For example, use the App Store or TestFlight for vetted versions, and explore Roblox Studio, plugins, or approved add-ons to customize gameplay. Once done, consult developer documentation or community channels to find endorsed tools and settings. This approach gives you similar results without exposing your device or account to bans, malware, or data theft. You finish by prioritizing recovery and prevention. If anything goes wrong, restore your iPhone from the backup you made and stop any further unofficial installations. Once restored, make sure to secure your account with a strong password and two-factor authentication, and report suspicious activity to Roblox support. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see crashes or odd behavior, restore first. Troubleshooting modified installs often makes things worse, so revert to a clean, official state before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.